global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello guys, welcome to Global Happenings. Today we have a trending news for you, and the headline reads: Fèar grips Indigenes in Umuahia as rumors of doom spreads in Abia state, particularly Umuahia in particular. But before we go straight into the news and further analysis, would you like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button below. Beside it, you will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Okay, let's go straight into the news of the day. Abia State, with the slogan God's Own State, has been having a wavering rumors of secret plans to bomb the market and worship places in the state, including southeastern region. The rumor and tension got heightened today. Got heightened some few hours ago. As an alleged unidentified soldier went about the Igbo market in Umuahia, spreading rumors of war and doom for the eastern part of Nigeria. The man who presented an ID card of a military man and a military uniform to the market woman was going round the market telling them of his alleged experience with the Boko Boys insurgents and an alleged plot by certain authorities to secretly destroy churches and marketplaces in that region. The unidentified soldier continued spreading the rumor as he was not interrupted by the market security nor the security outfit in the state. As a result of fear by some traders and doubt in some, the marketplace was filled with chaos and unrest as many locked up their shops and ran for their safety earlier than expected. This is as well has left many Abians, especially with the fear of unknown, as traders continue to spread the unverified news, while some doubt the genuinity of the news, thereby creating more atmosphere of fear and suspicion, as many Abians call out to the security agency for verification and protection. Continue, be waiting for verification and protection. That's the news, really. Let's go into further analysis. But before we go into a full analysis, hear what Nigerians are saying. Honestly, I'm pained. But let me just take it one after the other. This one here says, "Idiots, can't any of you take picture of the man and share it? Why are we so sluggish and always slow like this? We wish to be pitied. How can someone come into a community and make such a statement and you allow him to go?" This is one correspondent talking. Another one here says, "It is time Igbos made up their mind and follow Nnamdi Kanu." This one here is saying, "Where is CP Okon and his people? Now they could not do anything. If it is IPOB, his muzzles will come out. Idiots." This one here says, "In every rumor, there's an element of truth." God bless you, my brother. You have spoken my mind. Let's continue what people are still saying. Here, another respondent here is saying, "A region without right-thinking leader. We hardly get things right. Igbos have Fulani butt lickers as leaders. What a shame." This one here is saying, "You can call it unverified, but in every nonsense, there is a sense." This one here is saying, "There is no smoke without fire." This one here is saying, "Let them start now." This one here is saying, This one is saying, "Target rumor or unverified information is only the tree that heard of its death and remain unmoved. There's always sense in every nonsense. When this is called rumor, will become a verified info. Maybe even then, even those that target rumor will not be alive to confirm the authenticity of the danger they could have avoided." Bam. This way I say, Kanu has to institutionalize a leadership structure on ground that will take care of BIAFRA territories now. This one here is saying, "My people, Igbos, do I need to invite the disciples of Lord Jesus Christ who interpreted the dream of Nebuchadnezzar to Igbo land? Hence, the evil agenda has been revealed to us. This is the time the whole Easterners must come together as one nation, for Northerners are looking up for a way to wipe the entire Easterners from this planet Earth. Late Ikemba had earlier said before his death that we should defend our land wherever we are. I think we must abide by the spoken word of our late great son." Thank you. This one here is saying, "Uzodimma's strategy and the prophet who said Imo would be good now ironically means anathema and killings in the land of Imo. Anathema. Echo of war. It might be true. This way, it's a rumor mills run faster in the midst of hungry people. Okay. And one person here say, outlaw Fulani Bokos in Igbo land now. How many times have I posted this? Okay, that's how much we can take. This is getting gruesome. This is getting worrisome. The truth be told, even if you hold the man and snap his picture, has it done you evil in giving you first-hand information? He showed you ID card to tell you that he's a military man. He gave you first-hand information on his first-hand experience on the fact that he had encounters with Boko boys. He told you this because he loves you, so that you people can protect yourself. He didn't tell you this so he can, put himself in danger. But he told you this, probably it's even the Lord that caused him to open his mouth and reveal that secret. What does it take? You have heard. Why not pressure your governors to enact security outfit now? I'm not talking about regional, all states be on red alert. I'm not talking about the one that the federal character will come into play. I'm talking about the local one. Equip them if need be, with whatever spirit mysticism that is required. Put upon the land those days when we were growing up in my own region. You begin to put some certain things upon the land. If there's some things you don't want anybody, even in the land that is your own, somebody is terrorizing you and it's your land, your ancestral land, you call on your ancestors. Don't get to go and fight physical. You are being silly. Especially if the person is wealthier than you. He's going to use money and put you in jail. You die for nothing. Leave him. Go and do mysticism. If it's your land, you call on your forefathers. Pour some liberation upon the land. Let him step there. If you not die mysteriously by stroke. The same thing. That land has been given to you by God. And bit by bit, for whatever reason, some strangers want to kill you to take your land. Call upon the God of your fathers. Call upon the ancestors of the land. If they step upon your land, they die mysteriously. I tell you. Except you're not the son of your soul. Except you're not the son of the soul. If you are, you invoke the power that be. They will come like this. They fight amongst themselves. If you don't believe in it, you can go call on God. David was a man of war. God was his God. He used to go the power of God to fight his battles, and he won. We are keeping quiet. Things are going sway. Things are getting bad. You are shouting that the man who had reduced his power. I would suggest, let every man rise up. Protect your land. It is already glaring that when it comes to Fulani headsmen, they have what we call federal protection. There is nothing a Fulani headsman does that receives the eyes of the federal character and get punished. The beauty of this whole thing is that you can see that the law is not equal for all. There are some laws that are made for some specific people, and others have immunity over them. And severally they have made it open. Severally they have openly said it publicly that they will kill and nothing will happen. They have killed and nothing has happened. So if you have waited for the authorities of the land to protect their not, please protect yourselves. Yes, this life is one. And the villagers are running. Where are the youth in Abia State? Is this how you want to even defend the land? Because there's no security agency on ground. Nobody is talking. Everybody is scared. They have successfully imputed fear in you. So by the time they come, fear will even kill before the main thing itself. Where are the young men? Where are the youths? Everybody have aligned themselves. Southeast have not. This one, either they are fighting D00m, they can. Or D00m is exposing something to them. Exposing something about them that they want to hide. Or either they're looking at the monies, this money they need to save, or EFCC is pursuing some of them. So at the end of the day, to even do the issue of social regional security, it's as if their lives already on political grounds have been compromised, so they can't even do the regional security outfit because of probably one of the two things they must have done, that they have been indicted by EFCC, that if they probably do this, do that, they may end up being like odd Jews or Carlo. So they are all scared of their own safety because also they want to be alive. So let them, whatever they want to do, let them do so that I can be alive for my children, I can enjoy whatever it is I have gotten for my generation and generation unborn. So they don't care if their home is destroyed. They have been compromised, but I'm very sure that local indigene, the Biafran, has not yet been compromised. If you know, when you have not tasted looted money, your mouth can run, because we are not guilty. They said, he that is down need fear no fall. If you're already down, you're not scared of falling on the ground. You're already on the ground. Say, if they're upon you, what again are you scared of? Somebody will say something. There's one of my friends that will always say, said, what's there again? The only people preach about hellfire. And Nigeria, is it not already hell? So if Nigeria is already hell, what's new again? But that's on a lighter note, because honestly, hellfire is not the same thing as Nigeria. But then people are just saying that Nigeria is not livable. Insecurities on the height. And the bad part is, it is selective security we are doing here. See, they're talking about this book. The book will say something very uniquely the other time. They said, look, if you don't stop this issue of Biafran agitation and allow this one Nigeria, that Nigeria is for all of us. Can you imagine? Say Nigeria belongs to all of us, all the black race in Africa. So you better keep your mouth shut and remain in Nigeria, which means you want to wipe up everyone that is in Nigeria and own Nigeria. And these guys are saying, look, we want to secede. You can carry Nigeria. We want to say you must not secede, though. You must remain in Nigeria so we can take every land. No, it shouldn't be. They need to arise. If your governors are slow in rising, by the time they wake up, there may not be any youth remaining to form the security outfit. At the end of the day, maybe it's the Fulanis that will come and form the outfit for you, because the youth will have been gone and buried by that time. By the time they will realize, okay, they don't have enough youth, let us recruit Fulani herdsmen to add in so that you can have enough security. It has finished. It is ended. Oh, correct. That's finished. So, but for me, I would say that everyone should rise now, whatever it takes. What does it take? It doesn't take anything. I remember the Abia boys then. It doesn't take anything to form a group, a vigilante that will keep these guys on toes. If there's no security combating them, the best form of attack is, the best form of defense is attack. Push them forth. Don't the stories of Biafra we have heard, is this what we heard? We had a lot of good, big, heavy stories about the Biafrans. Is this what we heard? Are they like this? Lily livered. That's not what we heard when we were growing up. And now we are hearing that even the so-called, is now even the West that are brazen up. Look at the issue of loan, 22.7 billion they talked about. It's only Abia that confronted them. At some point, I forgot that this whole issue of senators is not only Abia, but it's only Igbo senator that is there. But it's the only one we always hear. Of all the senators representing the whole Biafra, I'm talking about the whole of Ebonyi, Anambra, all of them. They're more than one. Each state have more than one. But it's only Abia will get to hear his name. Others just sit back in each constituency and keep quiet, not even voicing the voice of the people. I don't know, but that's my take on this. What do you think? That the fact that everybody is running helter-skelter over rumor, to every rumor, there's always an iota of truth in it. You don't need to wait for verification. If it has leaked out, somebody's risked his life to leak it out. Don't take it as ordinary rumor. Guard yourself first. Let it be that you overreacted than underreacting and dying in the process. Because if you underreact, they would have come upon you, killed you before you react. But if you overreacted, before they even come, you're already ready. They will retreat. And they say we're only joking about this because they met a ready Biafran. But that's my